My name is Michelle Commanda, and I just want to go over my roles for the QME app. As Scrum Master, I will help with the project start kickoff by defining the team duties, and I'll lead in creating the team contract. I'll coach, guide, and review task timing and keep the team morale up. Um, as we move forward, I'll update the work agreements for each milestone, create a feedback board that is reviewed daily, assist the owner with the product backlog, and research more on Scrum and share the knowledge with the team, such as the Scrum organization, Scrum practices versus good practices. And as a team developer, I will attend all Scrum team meetings, understand the epics and the personas, create the deliverables, including the application framework, report to the Scrum Master, and stay focused.